guys, welcome back to my channel. Is this your first time here? Then please do check out my other videos and consider subscribing. If you are away from home and craving for some pork dishes, I bring to you the perfect and easiest to cook pork recipe today. And I am sure you'll be blown away and surprised at yourself on how good a cook you are. So today I am going to cook a simple and yummy pork fry. The ingredients required for this dish are pork, salt, ginger paste, turmeric powder, green chilli paste, and finely sliced onions. Now let's start cooking. Heat a pan, wax hot, add the pork and cover and cook it for 30 minutes on a low flame, occasionally stirring in between. Cook the meat for 10 minutes, stirring gently in between until the water from the meat dries up and it turns golden brown. Now add the turmeric powder, ginger paste, green chilli paste and onions. Keep stirring this for 10 to 15 minutes until the onions are completely cooked. Ensure that the meat does not stick at the bottom of your pan. Finally, add salt as per taste and cook it for a couple of minutes. My pork fry looks ready to be served. Here is my dish. The dish is delicious and flavorful. The meat is perfectly cooked and it is mildly hot. I'm sure this will complement any meal. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe and please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up.